Hello designers, want to adjust the spacing between letters for a perfect look? Let's change the kerning in just few easy steps. First, open the Adobe Express app and either start a new project or open an existing one. Add the text or select the text you want to adjust. Look for the kerning or letter spacing options. This is usually in the text settings panel. Increase or decrease the spacing to get the perfect look. And that's it. Your text now looks clean and professional. If kerning options are missing, try switching to a different font. Some fonts don't support manual kerning adjustments. Do you prefer tight or wide letter spacing in your designs? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.